Hi, my name is Rohit and I work with iDream Education. In a lot of my conversations, I'm asked what is the difference between a smart class and a TabLab. So in this video, I'm going to share with you three such differences. Number one, to set up a TabLab, you require a lot of complex hardware, space, extra furniture and a lot of wiring. In case of TabLab, however, you don't need any of these stuff. TabLab is a very simple plug-and-play learning lab that can fit into a room of any size. It does not require any extra furniture, and the best part is that with just one switch and a single wire, you can actually charge all devices simultaneously. Number two, in a smart class, you can deliver only one form of content, which is the multimedia animations. You don't really get to know whether all children are equally connecting or engaging with that content. In a TabLab, however, all the devices, all the tablets can be preloaded with multiple categories of content. What it means that there is something in it for every single child. Now that's a true form of personalized learning. Number three, in a smart class, you never get to know student-wise impact. So you never get to really see how your solution is really impacting every child individually. In case of TabLab, as tablets are going directly into the hands of the students and each child has a unique user ID and password, you can actually track student-wise usage and learning data. The teachers and the other stakeholders can use this information to personally guide each and every single child depending on their interest and learning levels. So, here were your key differences between Smart Class and TabLab. If in your school you are thinking of introducing digital learning, this is an important decision that you're going to make. If you have any questions for me, you want to go deeper into any aspect of Smart Class or TabLab, please feel free to leave your comments or your questions and I'll make sure that I answer them. Thank you and have a nice day.